Hi friends, my name is Junaid and you are watching my channel Junaid Production. In today's video I want to show you unboxing of metal body motorbike LED light. Here you can see that there is metal body LED light with two colors. In next video I will make a homemade light using this light. Now let's open it. For testing I am using 12-volt battery. This light operates on 12-volt battery. There is 12-volt homemade battery. Here you can see that power of this light. There is white color. And there is yellow color. Here you can see that. In next project I will homemade light using this light, so subscribe to my channel and press bell icon for my next video notification. So friends, that's all about from my this video. So subscribe to my channel and press bell icon. Have a great day.